Complete the following probability distribution table. Okay, so we're talking about in this chapter, chapter 4, or chapter 4 now. So we're talking about probability distribution tables. What are they? Well, that would be like, how about if I did for our class? I could say in our class, we're going to have different grades, right? We're going to have people that get A's, people that get B's, C's, D's, and sadly, some people that get F's. And what percent of the class? Well, let's say maybe 20% of the class is going to get A's, and maybe 50% of the class will get B's, and maybe 20% of the class will get C's, and maybe 5% of the class will get D's, and maybe 5% will get F's. I don't know. I'm guessing that'd be great. I would love that. That'd be pretty good results if that came out that way. So that adds up to what? 100%, right? So that would be called a distribution. This is a distribution of grades. Now I could turn those into decimals, couldn't I? I'm just showing you an example. I could make this 0.20, 0.50, 0.20, 0.05, 0.05, and they add up to 1.00 decimal, which is the same as 100%, isn't it? So notice guys and gals, that they have to add up to be 100% or 1.0 decimal, don't they? So the same thing is true here. These are the different percentages. They must total 1.0 decimal because they have to be 100%. They have to be everything that can happen. That's what a distribution table means. It's everything that could happen. This making sense? Like if I left off the percentage that got, let me put that back in. What if I left off the percentage that got A's and I put a question mark there? You could figure out what percentage got A's by adding them up and subtracting from 1, couldn't you? And you would find out it's 0.20 because they got to add up to 1, right? If I told you 50%, 20, 5, and 5 as decimals, you could figure it out. Well, that's exactly what we do here. We just take 0.3, 0.1, and 0.5, add them up. What is that, 0.9? At least on mine, it's 0.9. So therefore, then you take 1.0 minus 0.9, and you get 0.1. So this must be 0.1. At least on mine, it must be 0.1 because they have to add up to be 1.0. Does that make sense? Questions on that one?